Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best inkjet printers in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading inkjet printers that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The HP DeskJet 2755E. A versatile wireless color inkjet printer perfect for home use. We'll explore its features and performance. The HP DeskJet 2755E can print, scan, and copy in color. With print speeds of up to 5 pages per minute for both black and color, it handles everyday tasks like a pro. Setting up this printer is a breeze, thanks to the HP Smart app. Plus, it features dual-band Wi-Fi with self-reset, ensuring you stay connected without hassles. It even includes a USB 2.0 port for added flexibility. Upgrade to HP Plus during setup for advanced mobile printing, enhanced security, and automatic updates. Remember, HP Plus requires an HP account, internet connection, and original HP ink throughout the printer's life. Enjoy 3 months of instant ink included with HP Plus. This subscription service delivers ink to your doorstep and can save you up to 50% on ink costs. It's convenient and budget-friendly. In conclusion, that's a wrap on the HP DeskJet 2755E, a reliable, easy-to-use printer that's perfect for any home. Number 4. The HP DeskJet 4255E, a versatile wireless all-in-one printer perfect for home use. We'll cover its key features, performance, and more. The HP DeskJet 4255E handles printing, scanning, and copying with ease. It's perfect for printing to-do lists, letters, and recipes. With print speeds of up to 8.5 pages per minute for black and 5.5 pages per minute for color, it's efficient and reliable. Stay connected with the most reliable Wi-Fi that automatically detects and resolves connection issues. The HP Smart app lets you print, scan, copy, or fax right from your smartphone, making it super convenient. Activate HP Plus during setup to enjoy 3 months of instant ink. This subscription delivers ink to your door before you run out, saving up to 50% on ink costs. After 3 months, a monthly fee applies unless canceled. The HP DeskJet 4255E's compact design fits any home. Made with at least 60% recycled plastic, it's environmentally friendly. The intuitive control panel makes printing basic documents a breeze. In conclusion, that's a wrap on the HP DeskJet 4255E, a reliable, eco-friendly, and user-friendly printer perfect for any home. Number 3. The HP Envy 6055E, a wireless color inkjet printer designed for home use. The HP Envy 6055E excels at printing, scanning, and copying. With print speeds of up to 8.5 pages per minute in black and 5 pages per minute in color, it's perfect for your everyday printing needs, from recipes to travel documents. Stay connected effortlessly with dual-band Wi-Fi that self-resets to solve connection issues. The HP Smart app simplifies setup and lets you print, scan, and copy directly from your smartphone, providing convenience at your fingertips. Upgrade to HP Plus during setup to access advanced mobile printing, enhanced security, and automatic updates. Note that HP Plus requires an HP account, internet connection, and original HP ink throughout the printer's life. Enjoy 3 months of instant ink with HP Plus, allowing you to print up to 700 pages per month. Ink is delivered right to your door before you run out, saving you up to 50% on ink costs. In conclusion, that's a wrap on the HP Envy 6055E, a reliable, versatile printer perfect for home use. Number 2. The HP OfficeJet Pro 8135E, a top-tier wireless all-in-one color inkjet printer. Perfect for home offices, it offers printing, scanning, copying, faxing, and more. The HP OfficeJet Pro 8135E excels in fast color printing, scanning, copying, and faxing. It supports auto two-sided printing and an automatic document feeder, making it ideal for professional quality business documents, reports, and presentations. Stay connected with dual-band Wi-Fi that automatically detects and resolves connection issues. With the HP Smart app, you can print, scan, copy, and fax directly from your smartphone, bringing convenience right to your fingertips. Activate HP Plus during setup to enjoy 3 months of instant ink, delivering ink to your door before you run out. You'll save up to 50% on ink costs with this subscription service, which applies monthly fees after 3 months unless canceled. HP Wolf. Essential security protects your data, keeping your network safe from cyber threats. The printer's sustainable design, made with over 45% recycled plastic, is eco-friendly. The 2.7-inch touchscreen is easy to navigate. In conclusion, that's a wrap on the HP OfficeJet Pro 8135E, a versatile and secure printer perfect for any home office. Number 1. The Epson EcoTank ET2800, a wireless color all-in-one printer. Perfect for home use, it promises innovative, cartridge-free printing. Say goodbye to expensive ink cartridges. The Epson EcoTank ET2800 uses high-capacity ink tanks and EcoFit ink bottles for easy, worry-free refilling. It's designed to save you money and reduce the hassle of frequent cartridge changes. Save up to 90% on replacement ink with this printer. The ink bottles can print up to 4,500 pages in black and 7,500 in color, equivalent to about 90 individual ink cartridges. That's a lot of printing without breaking the bank. Enjoy up to 2 years of ink in the box, minimizing out-of-ink frustrations. Plus, with zero cartridge waste, the EcoTank ET2800 helps reduce landfill waste, making it a more sustainable printing option. Experience sharp text and vibrant color photos and graphics thanks to Epson's unique micro-piezo heat-free technology. It works on virtually any paper type, ensuring top-notch print quality every time. In conclusion, that's a wrap on the Epson EcoTank ET2800, a reliable, cost-effective, and eco-friendly printer perfect for home use. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.